everyone. Today we'll be discussing about a very important topic, the component of the Nigerian justice system. The justice system refers to the constitutions and processes set up to ensure fairness, resolve disputes, and uphold the law in Nigeria. The system is made up of various institutions and individuals that work together to ensure justice. We will be taking you through the key components of the system.
The judiciary. One of the most important parts of the Nigerian justice system is the judiciary. They interpret the laws, conducting trials, and delivering justice based on evidences and legal principles. The Nigerian court system is made up of several levels, including the Supreme Court, which is the highest court in the country. Below that is the Court of Appeal, then we have the federal courts and the state courts. There are also lower courts like the magistrate courts and customary courts. Without judges and magistrates, the court system cannot function.
We have the legal profession, mainly lawyers. Lawyers are also known as the legal practitioners. They play a big role in the justice system. They help people understand their rights and speak for them in court. Some lawyers work as solicitors, they give legal advice, and other works as advocates. They help seeking in court for their clients. Every lawyer must be a member of Nigeria Bar Association, which is the professional body that guides and regulates their conduct.
Injustices are also key to the justice system. The most well-known one is the Nigerian police force. They arrest suspects, investigate crimes, and maintain law and order. We also have the Economic and Financial Crimes Commission, which handles cases involving corruption and financial crimes. Another agency is the Independent Corrupt Practices and Other Related Offences Commission, ICPC, which focuses on fighting corruption in public offices. This agency helps to enforce the law and bring offenders to justice.
Someone has been tried and found guilty, then the correctional services take over. The Nigerian Correctional Services, formerly known as the Nigerian Prison Service, is responsible for keeping convicted criminals in custody. But it's not about punishment, but about rehabilitation. The goal is to reform prisoners so that they can become better members of their society after serving their time. This is an important part of the justice system because justice not only about accountability, but about circumstances.
Finally, we have the Ministry of Justice. The Ministry of Justice advises the government on legal matters, including laws and policies. The ministry is headed by the Attorney General, which is also known as the Minister of Justice. The Director of Public Prosecution and other legal aids helps in criminal prosecution and works with law enforcement to help in court cases. Our role ensures that the government acts within the law and justice is served for both individual and society.
Is the final component of the criminal justice system. It includes various supporting institutions that strengthen this includes organizational rights, National Human Rights Commission. It monitors and protects human rights within the justice system. There are also forensic laboratory and other investigating agencies that provide scientific evidence that help in criminal investigation and prosecution. We have non-governmental organizations help in legal awareness and protect the rights of victims and suspects.
The Nigerian justice system is made up of several components: the judiciary, the law enforcement agency, the legal profession, the correctional services, and the supporting institutions. Each of these parts plays an important role in making sure justice is done in the society. It is important that these arms work together with integrity and professionalism. Thanks for watching. We hope we learned something new about how justice works in Nigeria.